Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add text to speech to any of your videos. So to do that, you're just going to add in your text. Hopefully the audio would have turned on by now. Add in your default text type, anything. I'll just stick with this one. Go to text to speech and select the voice actor, the voice, AI voice, whatever you want to call it, to the text. So I'm just going to select Jesse.
Default text.
That was so loud. Okay, then you're going to generate speech, and when you play it, it's going to say that. Mostly people use this for like TikTok videos and stuff, but it's on CapCut. If you want to export it just as an MP3, you can go to export and and tick the video, and then select audio instead, and select the format and select export. That is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.